So 5.3, number 61. We have the function y equals negative 3x, and we have the bounds. We're starting at negative 2 and ending at 2, and they want the area and the net area, distinguishing between the two. They're very different concepts, so I like this question because of that. You have to know the difference between area and net area. What does y equal negative 3x look like? It's a line with a y-intercept of 0 with a slope of negative 3. So when I draw that, this is a rough graph. It's not going to be perfect. Something like that. And I'm going to go from negative 2 to 2. So let me mark this. I'll make that negative 2 and make that 2. And so let me draw some lines going up. I'll do it in gold. Golden. So if we want net area, that's the integral from negative 2 to 2 of negative 3x dx, right? And 5.3 or 61, it said use geometry. So we're going to use geometry. We're not going to do Riemann sums. So the net area is going to be the area above, and then you're going to subtract the area below. Now you can already see what's happening. It's going to be 0, but let's do this. The area of a triangle is 1/2 base. This is 2, and then negative 2 times negative 3 is 6. So this point there is going to be 6, and this is going to be negative 6. So 1/2, the base of this triangle is 2, the height of the triangle is 6. And since this is below, what's going to happen is 1/2, the base is 2 also because this is too wide. The height here is going to be negative 6. Now, a couple things. Technically, with the Riemann sums, you would add, right? And then your function is negative, so you'd have a negative 6. So that's why it's going to come out negative. Or you just assume I find the area and then I subtract it. Either way, I don't mind. Just know you take the area above, whoopsies, you take the area above here, and you take the area below here, and you subtract them. Clearly, that's going to be 0. So the net area is 0. Important. Area is different from net area. Okay, if you were to walk into my classroom, today is the first day of calculus, and I asked you, what are the areas of the shaded regions? You would not tell me 0. You would not. You would say, oh, I can do that. The area of the top is 1/2 base times height, and the area of the bottom is 1/2 base times height, and you would say that's gonna be 6 plus 6. The area is 12, and I would say, good job, you were right. So the area of the shaded regions is 12. Duh. But you have this new term called net area, which is the area above minus the area below. Okay, that is number 62.